Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a digital portfolio in Wix. First, choose a template that truly reflects your professional style and the type of work you do. Next, upload your best high-quality images and write concise, engaging descriptions for each project. Remember to organize your work into clear, distinct categories so visitors can easily find what they are looking for. This initial setup is crucial for a strong first impression. Once your basic structure is set, it is time to personalize. Customize your portfolio's fonts, colors, and overall layout to perfectly match your personal brand. Craft compelling project narratives and detailed case studies that highlight your skills and process. Don't forget to include client testimonials. They add significant credibility and social proof to your work, making your portfolio more impactful. To ensure your portfolio reaches a wider audience, focus on optimization. Integrate easy-to-use contact forms and links to your professional social media profiles. Optimize all your images for faster loading times, as this greatly improves user experience. Finally, use relevant keywords throughout your site to improve your search engine ranking, helping potential clients discover your amazing work. Before hitting publish, meticulously review all your content for any errors or typos. Once everything is perfect, launch your portfolio and proudly share it across all your professional networks and social media platforms. Remember, consistent promotion is key to getting your work seen. Also, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.